Hey guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded an English video, but I'm finally back, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look. I wanted to do something very quick, easy, like last minute look that will also look so nice, and it's perfect if you're a beginner because I don't use a lot of products and it's very easy to create, so I hope you like this video. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And now let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean the eyebrows from the bottom, and I'm using the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer and the Real Techniques Detailer Brush. And I'm also going to use this concealer to prime my eyelids. So I'm gonna put a little more on my eyelid with the applicator and then blend it out with the LA Girl sponge. I like using concealers as a primer because it hides the little veins. My eyelids don't look as dark. It just makes the whole eyelid look even. And once I'm done blending it out, I'm going to set the concealer using the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and the fluffy brush from Anastasia. First I set it in tapping motions and then I swipe to remove any excess powder. And setting the concealer will help you to blend out the eyeshadows a lot better. It's just going to be faster and easier to blend out the eyeshadows. So I feel like this is a very important step if you are a beginner and you want to create a quick look. And for the first eyeshadow, I'm actually going to grab my Profusion highlight and contour palette. So yes, I'm going to use my bronzer as an eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it with the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush. First on the crease, I'm just going to swipe it right on my crease, going back and forth from corner to corner. This is a very quick and easy step, and I'm just adding on layers until I like the color of the shade or the bronzer. You can see that I'm just going back and forth, and I'm also going to use the same brush to blend out the edges. And to blend it out, you don't want to have a lot of product on the brush. Just whatever is left, that you already applied on your crease. I'm just going lightly, like barely touching my skin with the brush, with the very tip of the brush. Just going in circular motions. Then I grabbed a little bit of the same concealer with my finger, and I'm going to apply it first on the center of my eyelid and then the rest of my eyelid in tapping motions. Once it's on my eyelid, for the edges, you kind of want it to be somewhat blended out. The way I do it is just go down without having a lot of product on my finger. Tapping motions, kind of like swiping maybe, downward on the very edge of the concealer right on my crease. I do it very lightly and that helps to blend out the concealer. You can also use a flat brush, but I find it a lot faster doing it with my finger. And please excuse my nails. I was supposed to go get my nails done today, but I won't have time. Then you're gonna grab your highlighter. You can use any highlighter. I'm gonna go with the Milk Makeup Flex highlighter, and also grab some with my finger and apply it on top of the concealer that I just applied right on my eyelid. And to blend out the edges also with your finger, it helps me to kind of stretch my eyelid. I just lift my eyebrow and close my eye a little bit. To me, that's just a lot easier to blend out the edges. e.l.f. Cosmetics also has nice highlighters. I love their baked highlighters, and they're way cheaper than this one. And I applied the concealer under, that way the highlighter can really hold on to the eyelid and stand out. And it's already looking so cute. And now to add a little more like extra glow, I'm going to apply this. You can never go wrong with glitter, especially for the holidays. And I highly recommend these little glitter pots things. These are from LA Girl, and it's like pretty much glitter. It's pressed glitter, so it is so much easier, like the easiest way to apply glitter to your eyelids. And for this, I'm also using my finger and I'm just applying it on my lid on top of the eyeshadow that I just applied. Then I'm going to grab my Full Spectrum Covergirl Black eyeliner and put some on my waterline. Then with this small brush that comes in a palette from Rimmel, I'm going to apply the same bronzer on my waterline. Then I'm going to grab the same highlighter from Milk Makeup that I applied on my lid, and with the Real Techniques Detailer Brush, I'm going to put that on my inner corner and also on my brow bone. You don't want to put a lot on the brow bone, just right under the arch of your eyebrow, because if you put a lot, especially if you have hooded eyes, your hooded eye might look a bit bigger than you want. It's just going to stand out. This is for the brow bone to stand out, so if you put it way too low, your whole hooded eye is going to stand out a lot. So you just want to tap it right under the arch and then blend it down a little bit. To finish this look even faster, I'm not going to apply fake eyelashes. I'm just going to curl my lashes. And the mascara I'll be using is the Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express mascara. I'm going to put 2 layers on my top eyelashes. This is one of my favorite mascaras because I just love the outcome. My eyelashes don't go down. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't look clumpy. It doesn't have a fallout. To me, it's just one of the greatest mascaras. And I'm going to apply the same mascara to my lower lashes, but this one's just going to be 1 layer. Now this look with red lipstick for Christmas Christmas or New Year's. Looks so good. I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you would wear this look for Christmas, New Year's, or just any occasion. It's really quick for like a day-to-day makeup look for school. It's just so simple. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!